morning everyone. I am Mrs. Praka Gupta and I teach subject EVS of class 7th and chapter 3rd soil is going on, and this is the second part of the video, and in this second part we will discuss about the third topic. Third topic is what? Types of soil in India. In the first part of the video we have discussed about the topic importance of soil for growing plants and constituents of soil and classification of soil. Now in the second part of the video we will discuss about the topic that is types of soil in India. So there are different type of soils which are found in India in different part of the India, and in different you can say in different states there are different type of soils are found. Now we will discuss types of soil in India in detail. Now in types of soil in India there are 6 types of soils which are found, major types of soil which are found in India. That is, first one is red soil, black soil, alluvial soil, desert soil, mountain soil and laterite soil. Now we will discuss in detail about the types of soil in India. Now if we talk about the first type of soil, that is the red soil. What is red soil? Red soil is found in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Southern Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and the northeast part of India. And red soil is red in color because due to the presence of red iron oxide in it. And red soil is suitable for growing of millets, oilseeds and tobacco. Now we will talk about the next type of soil, that is the black soil. And black soil is mostly found in the parts of Maharashtra. And black soil, in black soil mostly cotton and sugarcane type of products are grown. Now we will discuss about the third type of soil, that is the alluvial soil. Now alluvial soil, it is a fertile loamy type of soil. If we can say alluvial soil, that is the fertile and loamy type of soil. And in alluvial soil generally the types of cereal, pulses and vegetables are grown. There are different type of pulses. Pulses means dal hota hai, cereals, and different type of vegetables can be grown in the type of alluvial soil. Now we will move further, that is the next one is the desert soil. This is the fourth type of soil, that is the desert soil. And desert soil is mostly found in the Rajasthan and some parts of Gujarat. And desert soil is mainly known for the growth of cactus plant और the types of thorny bushes. Thorny bushes means plants जिसमें कि कांटे होते हैं छोटे छोटे, उस टाइप के plants grow होते हैं. तो this is mainly grown in the desert type of soil. Now we will move further, that is the fifth type of soil, that is the mountain soil. And mountain soil, now if we talk about the mountain soil, this kind of soil is found in Himalayan region. Mountain soil is found mainly in the type of the Himalayan region, where the apple, walnut, timber trees are found grown in the mountain type of soil. Now we will move further, that is the sixth type of soil, that is the laterite soil. Now what is laterite soil? Laterite soil is found in humid tropical regions such as the Western Ghats of India, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, West Bengal and Assam. This soil is laterite soil is also found red in color. Why red in color? Because there is most of the iron oxide is present inside the laterite soil. And in laterite soil the different type of plants can be grown, that is the type of tea, coffee, coconut. So these types of plants can be grown on the laterite soil. So these are the types of soil in India which is found. Now we will move further, that is on the next topic. Now we will move further on the last topic of the chapter, that is soil as a retainer of water. soil as a retainer of water. Now, if we talk about the soil as a retainer of water, there are two ways through which the soil can retain its water for future use. So what are the two ways? That is the type. First type is rainwater and second type is rivers. Now if we talk about the rainwater, suppose when there is a rain, then when the rain falls on the land, तो लैंड में क्या होता है, जो वाटर होता है लैंड वाटर को एब्जॉर्ब करता है, रेन वाटर को एब्जॉर्ब करता है. और जब लैंड जब रेन वाटर को एब्जॉर्ब करता है तो जितने भी सपोज देयर आर प्लांट्स ऑल्सो इन द लैंड, तो इट हेल्प्स इन द ग्रोथ ऑफ द प्लांट्स. एंड you won't believe that 20% of the rain water, that is a fresh water which supplies for drinking purposes also. So it is called retainer of water, and land is the best retainer of water because it absorbs the water and it also supplies the water to the plant bodies also for their growth, and through the medium of rivers and stream, water is supplied to the human beings also, in our homes also, for the drinking purposes. Now this much is the chapter. I think that topics are clear to you all. Now revise it at your home, and if there is any queries, then we will discuss that in the class. Till that, revise it well and go through the chapter, and I'll send the exercises in PDF form. Till then, thank you and stay at home and be safe.